Well, good morning, guys. I want to thank you for coming today. Before we get started, let's go ahead and introduce ourselves and state what our roles here are at Gracie.
Hi, I'm Patty Lamelli. I'm the school psychologist here.
Allison Desetti, school counselor.
Michaela Caballero, the research teacher.
And I'm Caitlin Benson. I'm the learning director. I appreciate you guys being here today and taking the time to come together for the betterment of our students. Before we continue, I'm going to go over our procedural norms, which we have in the middle of our table. We need to make sure that in our meetings we are on time and prepared, which everyone was. I appreciate that. We're going to be present and engaged, be student and solution oriented, be open-minded and respectful of others, be respectful of everyone's time, and remember the focus is always student-driven. Is there anything else that anyone feels we need to add or adjust to our norms? No? Okay. Now we'll review and assign our roles. We're gonna have a note taker or a recorder, and they will also be the timekeeper, and Michaela, that'll be you, and you can just go ahead and document the discussions that we have, capture the meeting discussions, and review strategies and interventions that we all shared today. We'll also have our reporter or communicator with the staff, and Ms. Desetti, if you could take on that role, because I know that the teachers come to you for a lot of things when it comes to helping with student interventions.
Okay.
And then, that can just be part of you sharing the process of our meeting.
Okay.
And then for our behavioral role, Ms. Desetti, or Ms. Lamelli, because you are, our school psychologist, you have a lot of the knowledge in what we can do to assist our students with the behavior. That would be appreciated also. Does anybody have any questions? All right, perfect. So then from there, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna review all of the data that we found and we have provided regarding our student population, and we were looking at an equity gap that we can address to better support our student population here at Gracie. And we will come up with strategies throughout the meeting to help students and to make sure that we can specifically address how we can better help the population that is currently being impeded the greatest. All right, well, thank you guys.